Hello friends, my name is Omkar Shawai and today's date is 12th of November 2022 and today's our Viva topic is on aspect oriented programming. So let's begin. So aspect oriented programming is a programming type of programming as the name suggests it uses aspects in programming and it can be defined as the breaking of code into different types of modules and it is also known as modularization. So where the aspect is the key unit of modularity and aspects enable the implementation of cross-cutting concerns such as transaction logging not central to business logic without additional behavior that is the advice to the existing code. For example, security is a cross-cutting concern in many methods in an application. Security rules can be applied. So therefore, repeating the code at every method define the functionality in a common class and control where to apply that functionality in the whole application. So next point is dominant framework in AOP means aspect oriented programming includes programming methods and frameworks on which modularization of code is supported and implemented. So we will see the main points in dominant AOP. So aspect J. So it is an extension for Java programming created at Park Research Center. So it uses Java-like syntax and included IDE integrations for displaying cross-cutting structure, and it has its own compiler and viewer. On using it enables the use of full aspect J language. So next one is JBoss. It is an open source Java application server developed by JBoss and used for Java development. And third one is Spring. So it uses XML based configuration and for implementing AOP. Also it uses annotations which are interpreted by using a library supplied by AspectJ for parsing and matching. So AspectJ libraries with Spring framework are dominant in the market and therefore so let's see how aspect oriented programming works with Spring. So if we think that invoking a method will automatically implement cross-cutting concerns, but that is not the case. So just invocation of the method does not invoke the advice and the job which is meant to be done. So Spring uses proxy based mechanism and that is it creates a proxy object which will wrap around the original object and will take up the advice which is relevant to the method call. And proxy objects can be created either manually through proxy factory or factory bin or through auto proxy configuration in the XML file and get destroyed when the execution completes. So proxy objects are used to enrich the original behavior of the real object. So the next point we will see that common terminologies in AOP. So first one is ASP, the class which implements AOP. So that's all from me. Thank you.